Guys, what's happening today? Real quick tutorial on terminating an account within WHM. If you already have too many accounts, you're always able to, of course, take some off. So go in here to the home page of, or the dashboard of WHM. Why don't you go here to account functions, or you're also able to go over here on the sidebar to account functions and terminate accounts. This time we'll go here to the center. And again, we'll get the sub menu that we also see here. We'll go to terminate accounts. Now, as it says here, proceed with caution, because if you do terminate any account that you want, you're in trouble. So what I would say is, first of all, any account that you are going to remove, always take a backup first. But then also, when you are in here, be cautious, because again, if you do remove an account, you cannot undo this action. So basically there's two options to remove the account. You can either go through and side select, or you're able to just individually remove each account. In this case, we're going to be removing an old website that was just used for development purposes, stevemwebdesign.com. What I'm going to do is just select the sidebar. Again, double check, because if you only got one chance. If you delete this, it's gone if you don't have a backup. There may be some things through your hosting provider you're able to work out, but for 90% of the issues, it's gone. I would say, so selecting the sidebar, or again, you can just go over here to remove, but we'll remove it up this way. So again, it's going to give you one more warning. Do you want to remove the selected accounts? Select yes. One more warning. Do not delete the selected accounts. Yes, permanently remove the selected accounts. You'll see it's starting to remove as the server is actually deleting all the files, and there was a successful removal of Steve M Web Design. So now if I actually go back here, you will see that it is no longer there. It was actually removed, and going back, I can check the list of my accounts on the front end, and I will see that again it's no longer there. So guys, that's terminating an account in WHM. Super powerful. You're going to be using it, whether it's test websites, whether it's old clients that go elsewhere. But either way, it's a powerful feature to know. Practice it, but again, be cautious while you're in there. Take care, guys. We'll talk soon.